Hey guys, what is going on, and welcome back to What Shall We Do Next. I'm Mike, your host, and I hope you guys are having the best day ever. Before I get started, guys, please subscribe if you are new here and you haven't already done that. We're on the road to 151,000 subscribers, and I would love you to join me on this journey. So hit subscribe right now and join the fam. And guys, also remember my social media links are in the description, so if you want to follow me on my social media, I have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and even Snapchat, so you can follow me on all of those. Links are in the description. But what is going on, you guys, and welcome back. And today we are going to be doing another scary story. And this scary story is called Click Clack. So this story is also called Click Clack Slide, and it's a scary urban legend about the ghost of a woman whose legs were cut off in a fatal car accident. It is also known as Click Click Drag, Click Click Slide, and Chick Chick Boom. Oh my god. Boom boom bang, click click click, fuck shit fuck. But anyway guys, I have read this story before a few years ago, and if I remember rightly, it was pretty popular, but it's only a short story. I don't remember it being this short. I'm pretty sure there's also a Japanese version, which I will read another time. But enough of the jibber jabber, let's jump right over to the story. Click, clack. One day, a mother took her son and daughter shopping at the local mall. On their way home, they had to drive across the railroad tracks. While they were crossing the railroad tracks, the car got stuck, and suddenly, they saw a train coming in the distance. The mother started freaking out and was still struggling to get off the tracks when the train plowed straight into her car. Police were searching through the wreckage and found the dead bodies of the two children. They also came across the severed legs of an adult woman, but the mother's top half was never found. Shortly afterwards, a series of horrible murders occurred in the small town. All of the victims were children. In the schoolyards, rumors began to spread among the kids about a monster they called Click Clack. They said it was the ghost of a woman who had no legs. According to the story, she had really long fingernails and used them to drag herself around. Her name came from the click-clack sound her nails made as she was chasing you. The children warned each other to stay indoors after dark. According to the legend, Click Clack would stalk the streets after 6 p.m., looking for children to kill. When she caught them, she would tear them in half. Soon, every child in town knew the legend of Click Clack and made sure to lock all the doors and windows in their houses in the evening. One day, a girl was playing in the backyard when her mother came out and told her to go to the shop and buy 3 bottles of milk. The girl went on an errand and carefully planned to be back home before 6 p.m. because she had heard that was the time when Click Clack came out. When she reached the local shop, the girl discovered that they were out of milk. She had to go to several shops before she could find 3 bottles of milk to buy. On the way home, the girl looked at her watch. The time was 5:52 p.m. She looked around and saw parents hurriedly calling their children indoors and nervously locking their windows and front doors. She started running and had almost reached her street when she heard a strange noise. Click, clack, slide. Click, clack, slide. Click, clack, slide. She turned around, but the street was empty. She increased her pace, but the strange noise seemed to follow her. Click, clack, drag. Click, clack, slide. Click, clack, drag. She ran as fast as she could until she finally reached her house. She started pounding on the front door. The girl's mom had fallen asleep, and the door was locked and the curtains were closed. All of a sudden, the pounding stopped. A few minutes later, the mother woke up and went to the front door. When she opened it, she looked down and screamed at the sight. Written in the doorstep in blood were the words, "Mom, why didn't you open the door?" The girl was never seen again. Well, fuck my duck and call it Chuck. The little girl died, guys. That little girl at the end, she's no more. The Click Clack got her. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? I said the Click Clack got her because the mom didn't open the door. Sorry guys, I'm getting way too excited by this story. Though it is a really good story, but I remember the Japanese one was a little longer, and this one was very short, but it's a pretty spooky story, and I remember it was really popular back in the day. But I'm gonna do the Japanese one some other time when I find it. I think that one was called like Tap 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 or something. Wait, I did that one the other day. No, it's called something else. It's kind of similar though. But yeah, I can't wait till I read that one as well, because that one was kind of the same story, but a little different, if you get what I mean. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button down below, and let's see if we can go for 40,000 billion likes on this video. I would really appreciate that. And my question to all of you for question of the day is, why do you think this woman was killing kids just because her car got stuck on the train tracks and the train accidentally plowed into her, killing her and her kids? Why is she sticking around just to kill other people's kids? Like, you would think she would be more protective of people, you know, kids getting stuck on the track or whatever. You think she would kind of be like that so that they wouldn't suffer the same fate that she did with her kids. So I don't understand what made her so angry that she feels the need to go and kill everyone else's kids in the whole town. I don't know, but let me know what you guys think. That is question of the day. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and remember the most important thing, chase your dreams, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out, guys. I love you all. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoy my videos and you would like to support me and my channel more, you can go over to my Patreon. Link is in the description. I would really appreciate any help you guys have to offer, and you can become a patron of mine over there. As you can see, we have different tiers and different rewards, so if you guys want to go check it out, I would really appreciate that. Every little helps. Thank you so much. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe with the notification bell on. That way you don't miss any future uploads. And also, guys, go follow me on all my social media. Links are in the description. I have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and even Snapchat, so go follow me on all of those. And remember, the most important thing, I love you guys, and chase your dreams.